guys, my name is Sakina. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Welcome back to my channel. So today, finally, like I promised, I'm gonna review Life is What You Make It by Preeti Shenoy. I'm so sorry for the delay. It literally feels like that I haven't posted a video since a decade now. I'm so sorry about that. So anyway, let's review this book, Preeti Shenoy. Well, if you don't know about her, she is now one of my favorite Indian authors. After reading this book, I'm gonna explain why. Okay, so first let me read the prologue so you get the idea of what this book is about. So yeah, I guess let's get started. What would you do if destiny twisted the role you took? What if it threw you to a place you did not want to go? Would you fight? Would you run? Or would you accept? Set across two cities in India in the early 80s, Life is What You Make It is a gripping account of a significant years of Ankita's life. Ankita Sharma has the world at her feet. She is young, good looking, smart, and has tons of friends and boys spooning around her. She also manages to get into a premier management school for her MBA. 6 months later, she is a patient in a mental hospital. Life has cruelly and coldly snatched that which meant the most to her, and she must now fight to get it all back. It is deeply moving and inspiring account of growing up, of the power of faith and how determination and indomitable spirit can overcome even what destiny throws at you. A tale as its core, a love story that makes us question our beliefs about ourselves and our concept of sanity, and forces us to believe that life is truly what one makes it. Okay, let me tell you a little about the main character, which is Ankita. So, like here, what is written, she's good looking, she's pretty, she's smart, she has boys spooning over her, yeah, just like that. So, the thing happens is that जैसे ही अंकिता का स्कूल खत्म होता है, all of her friends go to Delhi or Mumbai to get IIT and all, but Ankita's family stays there, and Ankita's boyfriend sadly goes to IIT in Delhi University. Anyway, so the thing I want to say is that it's a small thing that I noticed about the boyfriend. Boyfriend's name is Vaibhav, and सिर्फ 4 pages हैं Vaibhav के. Like there are only 4 pages of Ankita and Vaibhav's relationship, but oh my god, it's so amazing. Like it will literally make you crush on Vaibhav, or it will make you crush over their relationship, man. The thing happens is that उस टाइम 80s का मॉल है, okay? उस टाइम फोन्स भी नहीं होते थे, उस टाइम कैसेट्स वगैरह होते थे. So what the guy did on Ankita's 18th birthday was, मतलब उस टाइम ठंड के टाइम था, December and all, and दिल्ली में बहुत ठंड होती है दिसंबर में, of course, if you live in Delhi. Anyway, so there he actually goes to the, क्या बोलते हैं यार, जो booth होता है, telephone booth. He goes there and he calls her and he sings for her favorite song. And I forgot the name of the song, but I'm literally spoiling the scene right now. Trust me, the scene is so beautiful. It will make you crush on both of them. And मतलब starting ही ऐसा होता है. So yeah, that is like the starting of this book. So she gets an admission in a college named Saint Agnes, if I'm not wrong. मुझे इतना याद है. So Saint Agnes उसका college का नाम है, and it's very very famous and very like a good college, but it's a girls' college. She lives her college life at her fullest. Her friends जिस मजे में उसका नाम register कर देते हैं student body president के लिए, and she actually wins. Okay, so now she is the student body president, or I forgot what president she was, but she was the head of the college, and she is managing all kind of fests and competitions and everything like that. So during this fest and all, she meets this guy called Abhi, and the part of Abhi were closed very soon, and he didn't deserve what happened to him in this book. So the thing is that the whole story is related to Abhi, because after Abhi, Ankita's life literally just changes. Okay, so what happens between them is that I can give you a little idea. There's no spoiler, and I'm actually really afraid that I'm going to give you a spoiler. I'm literally scared because this book, तुम्हें जितना कम पता होगा ना इस book के बारे में, जितनी कम expectations रखोगे, उतना मजा आएगा. Because this book is so amazing. I never thought that an Indian author would be able to touch me so deep. Like the last time I read something that touched me na was A Train to Pakistan by Khushwant Singh, which was a whole another genre, and Will You Still Love Me by Ravinder Singh. Again, whole another genre. But this book, oh my god, I'm crushing on this book, and literally I'm saying after reading this book, Preeti Shenoy, my favorite author right now. Anyway, what was I saying? मैं topic भूल गई. I was saying, yeah, I never thought that a Indian author would be able to touch me so deep Now, let me tell you what happens between Abhi and Ankita. Ankita and Abhi met at a college fest. Well, it's a very beautiful story. I don't want to spoil it, so I'm not going to give you any small details. क्या होता है, अंकिता के friends जो है जानबूझ के उसको छोड़ के चले जाते कि तू लड़के के साथ आ. And she was like very angry and furious, but still she had no option. She of course has to reach the college, so she tells Abhi to drop her. And that's what the thing is. They go on bike ride. वो उसको college छोड़ने जाता है. They have lunch in a restaurant in Pondicherry or something. I forgot. And they have masala dosa. Anyway, the scene is very, very nice. I don't want to spoil it anymore. Just read it, you'll know it. Okay, I was like literally imagine everything in my head. It was so cute, man. Like you can see me, my cheeks are red right now because I'm talking about Abhi because I loved him a lot. I was literally crying when his chapter was over. I don't want to say that again. I cried like hell. Okay, so क्या होता है कि अंकिता gets admission मुंबई के लिए for her MBA and बहुत मस्त कॉलेज होता है. ओके, एंड अभी also applied for that college. He didn't get the admission. So what he says is that Ankita to just like not go and just stay at Kerala with him because Kerala में बहुत अच्छे colleges हैं MBA के लिए. But of course Ankita could not like just leave her MBA because of the guy, right? But she was like very cruel at that time, and I read a review where a girl said that Ankita deserves what she got. And let me tell you something. In this book, Ankita is suffering from bipolar disorder. And if you don't know what bipolar disorder is, it's a very serious condition where sometimes you just feel very, very happy. Your mood is like amazing. You're joyous and everything like that. And then suddenly you're feeling low. And there's this part in this book, जब starting में it's the first attack that Ankita gets, and oh my god, it was triggering for me to read it. And for a moment I just forgot that I was reading an Indian author because I was touched. समझ नहीं आ रहा था what do I say. I was feeling so many emotions that time. मतलब जब उसको पहली बार feel होता है, she could not explain what was happening to her, and that part of what Ankita is feeling, she is feeling that anxiety, and it's not anxiety first of all, it's not panic attack, because when it's a panic attack, you know it's a panic attack, right? But she has this fear that she has never ever experienced in her life, and she has no way to explain it, and she just crawls in the bed and she cries like hell, and then her mother and father comes, and it's a whole another level scene. And the way Preeti Shenoy described it, that was when I knew that this girl is my favorite author. Matlab, it was described so well. First of all, let me tell you, it's not a joke to describe someone's feeling, okay? And especially when you're going through a mental issue. And you know, it feels like this girl gave her 100%. Matlab, every line is described so beautifully. आपको feel होने लग जाएगा कि अंकिता क्या feel कर रही है. You will cry like hell, okay? मतलब हो सकता है you will cry like hell. आपको हो सकता है कि connect ना हो, but ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि आपको ये book पसंद आए. Because it is a warrior mentality. It will teach you that life is literally what you make it. Because Ankita seriously goes through a hell and she comes back to life. Okay, like bipolar disorder से गुजरती है and she goes on a mental hospital. उसको electric shocks तक मिलते हैं. इतना बुरी condition है. She is literally living in a hell. और उसने 3 बार suicide attempt किया था. But still she goes back in her life. अपने लाइफ में अपने पैरों पे फिर से खड़ा होती है. This is the book that touched me, and you remember the first time I held Turtles on the way down. It's right here, and I said it made me a better person. Here I am holding this book, and I'm saying Life is What You Make It by Preeti Shenoy made me a better person. It literally made me a better person. It made me understand what bipolar disorder is, and it's not just about mental issues and all. It's more than that. It's about life. आपको लाइफ के बारे में पता चलता है एंड हाउ इट इज लिटरली व्हाट यू मेक इट. इट डजंट मैटर व्हाट योर सिचुएशन इज. एंड इससे ज्यादा बढ़िया स्टोरी क्या हो सकती है? दैट दिस गर्ल इज सीरियसली सफरिंग विद बाइपोलर डिसऑर्डर एंड शी गोज थ्रू हेल एंड शी स्टिल comes back to life. This is what this book is about. I don't want to say anything else. I literally really want to say that this book touched me a lot, and like I said, I can proudly hold this book and I can say that this book made me a better person. And trust me, it will make you a better person. The book is written so well. I could not, like, मैं बोल नहीं सकती. I literally am crushing over this book. It's such a nice book. You need to read this book. There's no other book. And it's like 120 bucks, okay? 120 rupees. Just order this book right now. Read it. If you have this mentality कि Indian authors इतने बढ़िया नहीं होते हैं, read this book. It's seriously a start for you to like just change that mentality, okay? And yeah, I guess I don't want to say anything more than that. Like I said कि जितना कम जानोगे उतना मजा आएगा उस book को पढ़ने में. So yeah, that was my book review. My papers are going on and still I'm making this video because I love this author and I needed to share it with everyone, okay? Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and comment down what your emotions is. And yeah, I guess thank you so much for watching.